Hello all. Today I am very happy I finally received my long awaited part, which is a fix for my hazard switch that was defective. This little shunt gives you or gives me an ability to turn on the blinkers when the hazard switch is unplugged, and if I take it off, you see the blinker is gone. But part number is this beer mug BR1289R. That's from a Land Rover 90 or Land Rover 110 Defender, and it is a plug-and-play installation, 7 plugs, 7 pin. So once you plug that thing in, the blinker turns back on. I can shut it off, shut the ignition off, and turn on. Not that I'm planning to break down, but it's always nice to have a properly functioning car. That thing is a piece of beauty. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope this helps.